Passive voice, all tenses. Use, we use the passive voice when we don't know who does the action. It is not important, we want to focus on the action. Example, active, the chef cooks the food. Passive, the food is cooked by the chef. Formula, subject plus verb to be plus past participle. Present simple passive. Formula, am is a plus past participle. Active, she makes a cake. They make cakes. Passive singular, the cake is made. The cake is not made. Is the cake made? Passive plural, the cakes are made. The cakes are not made. Are the cakes made? Past simple passive. Formula, was were plus past participle. Active, she made a cake. They made cakes. Passive singular, the cake was made. The cake was not made. Was the cake made? Passive plural, the cakes were made. The cakes were not made. Were the cakes made? Present continuous passive. Formula, am is a plus being plus past participle. Active, she is making a cake. They are making cakes. Passive singular, the cake is being made. The cake is not being made. Is the cake being made? Plural, the cakes are being made. The cakes are not being made. Are the cakes being made? Past continuous passive. Formula, was were plus being plus past participle. Active, she was making a cake. They were making cakes. Singular, the cake was being made. The cake was not being made. Was the cake being made? Plural, the cakes were being made. The cakes were not being made. Were the cakes being made? Present perfect passive. Formula, has have plus been plus past participle. Active, she has made a cake. They have made cakes. Singular, the cake has been made. The cake has not been made. Has the cake been made? Plural, the cakes have been made. The cakes have not been made. Have the cakes been made? Past perfect passive. Formula, had plus been plus past participle. Active, she had made a cake. They had made cakes. Singular, the cake had been made. The cake had not been made. Had the cake been made? Plural, the cakes had been made. The cakes had not been made. Had the cakes been made? Modal verbs passive. Formula, modal plus be plus past participle. Examples. The homework must be done. The homework must not be done. Must the homework be done? The car can be repaired. The car cannot be repaired. Can the car be repaired? The rules should be followed. The rules should not be followed. Should the rules be followed? The tickets have to be paid. The tickets don't have to be paid. Do the tickets have to be paid? The agent, by plus object pronoun, important. In passive sentences, we can say who does the action. We use by plus object pronoun. The object of the active sentence becomes the subject in the passive sentence. Example, active, she makes a cake. Passive, the cake is made by her. Subject pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. A verb or a preposition. Object pronouns, me, you, her, him, it, us, them. Object pronouns important rule. We use object pronouns after a verb after a preposition. By is a preposition. Examples, after a verb, she loves him. They help us. I see her. Examples, after a preposition. This cake is made by her. The book is for him. The gift is from them. Common mistake, by she for he, by her for him. Subject does the action. Object receives the action. Thanks for watching.